It's 5:41 on Wednesday, and it's been consistently the temperature as around 40, and it's gonna drop below 40, so in the 30s today, and it's pretty windy. See it? We have another storm coming in this week. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, Friday, and then maybe Saturday. Pretty windy. It started to get windy, and last night actually, or this morning, it rained a little bit. Anyway, just want to keep you folks welcome. Not really welcome, but I guess the very windy and cold system here that we have. It's getting really cold. Anyway, stay warm folks and stay dry. It's gonna be raining. Be careful driving on the freeways and try to stay inside as much as possible because it's not really nice to be outside actually. See you folks on the next video. Thank you for watching.